सो हम बात कर रहे थे क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी चैलेंजेस की एंड नियर अबाउट 7 to 8 क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी चैलेंजेस पढ़ेंगे जो नियर करंट सिनेरियो में 2020 में है। 2020 में जो चैलेंजेस हैं क्लाउड के उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सो फर्स्ट वन क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी चैलेंजेस इज अ लैक ऑफ विजिबिलिटी और अ लैक ऑफ कंट्रोल। देखो, अगर हम क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग की बात करते हैं देन व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों को पता, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस। अगर मैं उन्हीं एडवांटेजेस में से सबसे बड़े बेनिफिट की बात करूं, मींस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिगेस्ट बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग क्लाउड बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी, देन that is the customer does not have to manage the resource needed to keep it working, means such as a server. And however, handing off the responsibility for managing the day-to-day maintenance of a software or platform or computing assets, it can run result in having less visibility and control over the assets. मीन्स मैं कहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं डेटा कहाँ पे स्टोर कर रहा हूँ, कौन सा टूल्स है जो मेरे डेटा को प्रोसेस कर रहा है, तो इन सब के बारे में हमें कोई विजिबिलिटी नहीं होती है। मैं उस सारे सिस्टम पे, उस सारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे या जिस सॉफ्टवेयर पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उस पर अपना कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है। सो दिस वन इज द बिगेस्ट मीन्स फर्स्ट challenges when we are talking about the cloud security. And why lack of visibility or lack of control will affect the ability of organizations? That is, first one, verify the efficiency of their security controls, because there is no visibility into the tools and the data on the cloud platform. Second one is enact incident response plans, since they may not have complete control over cloud-based assets. And third one is analyze informations about their data, services, and users, means which is often necessary to recognize abnormal use pattern inherent to a security breaches. And when adding a cloud-based service to the organization's workflow, it is important for the organizations to hammer out the detail about what the data can be accessed, how it can be tracked, and what security controls the cloud provider used to prevent data breaches. And this one is the crucial for verifying how much visibility and control the cloud solutions will offer. So this one is the first cloud security challenges. That one is a lack of visibility and a lack of controls. Second one is some cloud platform may not comply with the industry regulations. Means they some cloud platform does not meet the requirement of industry regulations, or what authority, means regulatory authority, will offer the responsibility or will offer the key points will not adopted by many companies which are providing the platform. So this point will come under the second challenges. So there are some types of regulations which have to meet special regulatory compliances requirement, and failure to meet these standards can result in census, fines and other penalties that negatively impact the businesses. And unfortunately, not all cloud service provider have security measures that comply with the industry regulation. Third one is the data privacy issue. सो डेटा जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं या फिर हमारा डेटा जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे पड़ा हुआ है या किसी कंपनी जो क्लाउड प्रोवाइडर्स है उसके पास मेरा डेटा पड़ा हुआ है, देन व्हाट इज द गारंटी फॉर द प्राइवेसी ऑफ दिस डेटा. So here is a scenario. So consider a man working in a financial services company, and that man added a platform as a services solutions to their workflow. And that person have no idea when and how to use it. He also does not know that the company only acquired the services for its general company and its need and uploaded some client's data to process that client data. And it is because he figured the software on the platform will be useful for managing his accounts. And after some times, the cloud providers suffer our data breaches. जहां पे हमारा सारा डेटा था जिस कंपनी के पास, that cloud providers company have suffered some data breaches. So जो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के जितने भी क्लाइंट थे, so उनके डेटा means that client's data, their identities, their balances, and all the things will be now breaches. अब मेरे अकाउंट का डेटा ब्रीच हो रहा है और मुझे पता ही नहीं है. ब्रीच यहाँ से हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑल द डेटा मीन्स ऑल द मनी विच आर हैविंग इन माय अकाउंट, बट द ओरिजिनल डेटा will be stored on the third companies जहां से हम डेटा जहां से हम क्लाउड सर्विसेज ले रहे हैं. सो इस दौरान पूरी कहानी क्या होगी भाई, कस्टमर तो मुझसे डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट करेगा कि हमारा डेटा कहाँ गया, मीन्स मेरे सारे अकाउंट पे पैसे कहाँ गए, जबकि मुझे खुद नहीं पता है कि वो डेटा या वो पैसे कहाँ गए, बिकॉज हमने तो किसी तीसरी कंपनी से क्लाउड सर्विस प्रोवाइडर कंपनी से हमने क्लाउड सर्विसेज ले रखा था, जैसा कि इस केस में उन्होंने प्लेटफॉर्म एज ए सर्विसेज ले रखा था. So this one is the case of data privacy issue. Fourth one is notifying customer affected by data breaches. So one of the problem with not having absolute control and visibility of a network is that if the network is compromised, then it can be difficult to establish what resource and data have been affected. With a cloud service, if it does not offer strong visibility features and access to event logs, then it can be nearly impossible to identify which customer have been affected by a data breaches and what data was compromised. And if breaches occurred in such considerations or in such conditions, it would be necessary to assume a worst case scenario and notify everyone whose data might have been possibly on the cloud platform. And it would be only way to be sure that the data breaches notifications reached everyone. And many points come under the concept of data security. Like as we all know that the data is transferred through internet or through network. And when data is in the flow, so it one is the major concern to the data security. And there are some points that one should be adopted to secure cloud data, like as the access control, auditing, authentications, and authorizations. So these are the some points which should be adopted by all the cloud service provider companies, CSP companies. Next one is a user access control. So one of the component that is almost always the user responsibility. User access control is a crucial challenges for cloud security, no matter what types of cloud services is used. However, as with on-premises security solutions, user access control in the cloud can be difficult, and especially if the cloud service does not have very robust and controlled settings. Next one is a vendor lock-in for security features. So one of the challenges in the risk is vendor's lock. When it comes to security features and being restricted to a single compatible security solutions, choice for a cloud services is extremely limited. And it can lead to poor return on investment for the security. This is because the vendor whom you are logged in to does not have to compete with other vendors, and they have your businesses, because you are their only choice if you want something functional without having to start over the some scratches. And next one is a lack of personal experience in cloud security measurements or measures. So there is a consistent challenges to find qualified security expert for any kind of production environment. This problem can be exacerbated with the cloud, as not everyone will be familiar with the security measures that the solution will be right off the bat. And there are some challenges like as other challenges we can count, like as the availability and reliability, security and privacy, interoperability, performance, and portability. So these are also comes under some different types of cloud computing challenges. One more term is a Cloud Security Alliances model, means CSA model. Cloud Security Alliance model. So this stack model defines the boundaries of each services model, and so with how much variations the functional unit relate to each other. And it is responsible for creating the boundary between the service provider and consumer, or between the service provider and customer. So what are the Cloud Security Alliances model key points, means CSA model key points? So first one is a information as a service is the most basic level among all the services. Second one is each of the services inherit the capabilities and the security concern of the model beneath. Third one is infrastructure platform for development and software operating environment are provided by information as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services respectively. And the security mechanism that below the security boundary must be built into the system that is required to maintain by the customer. So these are the 4 points comes under the concept of cloud security alliances model.